Raw aluminum sheets for the BYD Chazor arrive at the factory, ready for the stamping process. Strong frames begin here, with precision inspection of the BYD Chazor steel. This coil now feeds the automated cutter. For the BYD Chazor, copper wiring is prepared. Spools unwind as lifted through straightening belts. In the BYD Chazor facility, automated systems sort robotic arms transfer the line, while technicians monitor diagnostics. Secure delivery of lithium battery components for the BYD Chazor hybrid system begins, powering advanced energy systems. Large sheets of safety glass for BYD Chazor windshields move carefully along padded rollers for inspection before cutting. Plastic polymer pellets for BYD Chazor interior panels pour into injection molding hoppers close, sealing the process. Raw rubber materials for BYD Chazor door seals are loaded into mixing machines, heated to prepare the rubber compounds. Large panels of circuit board substrates are stacked on precision alignment tables. Icon lifts a board toward the SMT line. Raw materials are now moving to the production lines, concluding the initial stage of BYD Chazor manufacturing. Dawn at the BYD Chazor factory. Raw materials arrive as workers prepare the docks, starting the production workflow. Raw materials like these aluminum sheets arrive at the BYD Chazor factory. Forklift unloads and places them onto the production conveyor. At the BYD Chazor factory, strict quality control begins here. Every shipment is scanned and verified before entry. In the BYD Chazor factory, incoming materials are efficiently organized into sections for aluminum, steel, electronics, and batteries. The automated conveyor network efficiently distributes materials. Aluminum sheets move to the stamping dock field assembly. Massive steel coils for the BYD Chazor body frame are lifted by a heavy monitor the alignment using laser guides as it rotate into the stamping feeder. Sealed crates of BYD Chazor modules are transported by AGVs. A robotic arm then lifts the crate for assembly. Pallets of BYD Chazor components arrive for dashboard and sensor production. Technicians prepare the to board downlet. The BYD Chazor's mount racks into glasses on. Here, safety glass undergoes precision cutting and shaping for the final vehicle. Here, large steel sheets are fed into the laser cutter, beginning the body panel production for the BYD Chazor. Multiple streams of raw materials enter the main production hall of the BYD Chazor factory, already large areas of sheen size. Precision shaping of the BYD Chazor's exterior panels. Rotating blades trim the edges as workers inspect the quality. This high-pressure press forms the BYD Chazor steel door panels. Each slam creates a perfect shape, sliding onto the conveyor. Robotic arms shape the BYD Chazor's chassis components with precision to structure, ready for assembly. The BYD Chazor. The parts are held inside the welding station. Welding robots now move into position. Robotic arms begin spot welding the BYD Chazor body frame, fusing panels of car's precision-built structure. Check alignment here.
Confirmed, within tolerance.
This chassis foundation is vital for the vehicle's strength and performance. The newly stamped and welded parts are cleaned by automated brushes and air jets, removing debris to prepare for finishing. Here, automated clamps and robotic welders join the early sections of the BYD station. The BYD Chazor body structure moves toward the main line, concluding the preparation stage. The BYD Chazor body structure is permanently processed, ensures the vehicle's strength, safety, and durability. The roof panel is precisely lowered and secured onto the body frame. Automated welders seal the cabin structure, creating a robust and unified vehicle. The side panels are precisely aligned with the main frame. Robotic welders fuse them together, giving the BYD Chazor its shape. The door frames for the BYD Chazor are welded and strengthens the vehicle structure as the jig rotates to the next station. The green lasers sweep the structure. Verify alignment station. Real-time data ensures precision for every unit. Robotic grinders smooth welding seams on BYD Chazor panels, removing imperfections as sparks scatter. Robotic arms precisely install structural reinforcements adding to the chassis. Workers verify the installation, ensuring safety systems meet the highest standards. First body frame inspection on the BYD Chazor. Workers use bright lights and gauges to verify weld integrity and structural alignment. Now, onto the conveyor. The BYD Chazor body enters the cleaning tunnel. Powerful water jets and air blowers remove dust and particles. Now ready for the painting department. The body frame exits the wash, moving directly into the automated paint shop. This concludes the body manufacturing phase of the BYD Chazor. The BYD Chazor's bare metal body enters the primer chamber, where robotic arms prepare the first anti-corrosion coating. The BYD Chazor with a primer layer by robust as protection against rust and environmental wear. The prime body moves through the oven, where controlled heat cures the protective coating. As it exits, the coating is hardened, ready for the next stage. Robotic arms lightly sand the primer surface for a smooth finish. Workers inspect the surface under bright lamps, ensuring perfection. Robotic arms apply the deep black base color to the BYD Chazor. The paint spreads evenly across the body as it rotates.
To ensure it carries the body of the Chazor, which has a forward dig through all the automated car.
A transparent clear coat is sprayed on, giving the car its deep glossy finish and long-term protection, where intense heat hardens the paint into a durable glossy finish. As it exits, the transformation is complete. Workers use precise tools to scan for imperfections, ensuring flawless finishes that meet our strict paint quality standards. The painted BYD Chazor body shell moves to the assembly line, where mechanical, interior, and electronic components will be installed. The painted body of the BYD Chazor descends to meet the chassis. Robotic platforms guide the precise alignment for this critical marriage step. Robotic arms on both sides precisely tighten the large structural bolts, integrating the BYD Chazor body to the chassis. The BYD Chazor's advanced suspension system is installed with robotic wheel hubs are then secured, enhance stability and ride quality. The BYD Chazor's energy system is being installed. The robotic lift pushes the heavy battery pack into the chassis with precision alignment. Robotic arms install the brake discs and calipers onto the Chazor's hubs. Workers then verify alignment and torque with digital gauges, ensuring braking safety. The wiring harness forms the electrical nervous system of the BYD Chazor, precisely connecting sensors and modules for seamless operation. The robotic arms precisely position the dashboard support frame inside the cabin. Technicians secure mounting points for future electronics and displays. The main electric motor is precisely lifted and mounted into the BYD Chazor power for the installation, ensuring the drivetrain receives its power. The HVAC system is installed under the dashboard. Robotic tools secure pipes and modules, ensuring cabin climate performance. The major integration phase is complete. The BYD Chazor now advances to interior assembly. Automated systems align and secure the doors of the BYD Chazor with precision. After installation, the vehicle is gently moved forward. The robotic arm lifts the windshield into position. Adhesive is applied and the glass is pressed firmly. Automated systems install the rear window and side glass panels on the BYD Chazor to ensure airtight installation. Robotic platforms lift fully assembled seats and place them precisely inside the cabin. Workers use automated torque tools. The robotic arm retracts as the conveyor advances. Interior trim panels and door handles are carefully aligned and installed, completing the BYD Chazor's premium cabin. Automated machines align the tire perfectly onto the BYD Chazor's hub. Pneumatic torque arms now tighten the lug nuts with flawless precision. Automated systems inject brake fluid, coolant, and other essential liquids. Digital monitors track fluid levels and system pressure. The BYD Chazor moves to the calibration and finishing area, where sensors and systems undergo final, precise testing. Pushing the steering column forward aligns it for connection. The robotic control modules install next, enhancing driver systems. The BYD Chazor infotainment advanced modules. This powers a sophisticated digital interface for effortless control. The BYD Chazor is aligned using robotic precision. This ensures a perfect, seamless fit within the body panels. Mounting the bright red LED taillight modules onto the BYD's rear body, connecting the electrical harnesses behind the trunk panel, pushing the vehicle forward. The BYD Chazor's front grille and BYD emblem are precisely installed, finalizing its brand identity. Inspecting panel gaps to meet precision standards.
Rear door gap is within spec.
Smooth operation confirmed. Automated systems apply precision sealant to the glass edges of the vehicle. This ensures the cabin is completely waterproof, enhancing durability and performance. Advanced calibration machines align the BY guides, ensure precise positioning for the vehicle's safety systems. Connecting diagnostic cable to the BYD Chazor, initializing onboard software and control modules. Systems online, vehicle ready. Advanced robotics gently buff the glossy paint, removing imperfections and enhancing the deep reflective finish. The BYD Chazor enters the final cleaning stage. Soft rotating brushes and filtered air remove all dust particles, exiting perfectly clean. The fully assembled BYD Chazor now moves into the quality testing laboratory, where comprehensive performance and safety tests will begin. Initiating full system scan on the BYD Chazor.
Cables are connected, telemetry is live.
Good. Watch for anomalies. All right, starting with the dashboard. Digital screens are responsive. Seats feel ergonomic. Mirrors aligned. Lights operational. Door check complete. Fresh Chazor heading out to the yard. Sunrise is hitting the fleet just right.
Forward, keep it straight. Good, now the next one.